For more than a week now, there has been news about fraud in the H1B lottery process. What does USCIS have to think about it? What is this fraud all about? What role do consultancies play in this, and does it change anything at all? We will be discussing all of these and much more in the video, so stay tuned. So what is this news? On April 28th, USCIS said that they saw an increase of 61% in total registration of the H1B lottery process, which amounted to 780K, which was a sharp increase from the 480K registrations last year. So you must be wondering, why is this concerning? It is concerning because of the 780K applications, 408K applications came from just 96,000 candidates, which means that those 96,000 candidates held more than 4 jobs, and each of those companies decided to file an H1B lottery for them. Yeah, so what if they had 4 offers? They might be smart. Yes, actually a single candidate holding multiple offers or applying for the visa multiple times is totally fine as long as the job offers they hold is legitimate. The challenge arises when the company that wins a visa actually ends up contracting the employee to a third party or laying them off so that they can potentially switch jobs. That's when it leads to fraud. So why does the USCIS think this is something of concern? First, the sheer number of applications that increased in comparison to last year. Here is a chart on the screen that will give you some additional perspective. As you can see, multiple eligible registrations increased from 165K to 408K. USCIS also said that they found evidence that a small number of companies are actually responsible for entering the same applicants into the lottery multiple times with the alleged goal of artificially boosting their chances of winning a visa. So what action is USCIS taking? According to the Wall Street Journal, a USCIS official said that the companies have been referred to federal law enforcement agencies for potential criminal prosecution. If USCIS finds out that some of the entries in the visa lottery were fraudulent, it aims to disqualify those visa applicants. And here is a silver lining for a few people. If enough of those applications are rejected, then there is a chance that USCIS is going to do a second lottery to hit their cap of 85,000 visas. So will the H1B process registration become tougher moving forward? No one can say that because USCIS hasn't confirmed, but here is a statement that they have made. We are working on an upcoming H1B modernization rule that will propose, among other improvements, bolstering the H1B registration process to reduce the possibility of misuse and fraud in the H1B registration system. What this means, no one fully understands, but one thing that has been proposed is that they're planning to tie the H1B lottery to the passport of an individual so that every person is restricted to just one H1B lottery application. This means that each individual will have one application so that you don't increase somebody's chances unfairly. However, this creates an issue as one candidate might be holding multiple genuine job offers, and that does not violate the regulation. So what about the honest ones? Yes, we understand it can be demotivating to hear news like these. However, this would all require a larger immigration reform. Unless we have that, we have to deal with these stopgap arrangements. And wherever there are stopgap arrangements, there will be plenty of people waiting to find loopholes in the system. So let's focus on the things that we can control and leave the rest to destiny. We hope you found this video informative, and if you like us to bring these updates monthly to you, please leave that in the comment box. Today we bring updates when there is a big immigration news that happens, but if you think you can benefit from some of these updates monthly, we would love to hear from you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if things are not going your way, remember, it's okay, Yaar. This is Priya signing off. Until next time. Bye.